This is my website. People have a question. Sir, you have the website will be multiple locations. You have a multiple locations. So each location we have separate Facebook page. Separate Facebook page. But your Twitter will be only one. Twitter will be only one. So you can create n number of pages by based on your location. Based on your location. The pages will be visible to user 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. We have totally the pages will be 6. Total we have how many pages we have? Totally 6 pages. These 6 pages, any pages will be posted on content automatically shared by your Twitter wall. So I am sharing by Kondapura, Gachibowli location or Tangwan or using by swimming pool, Hyderabad or can showing habits. Anything posting, automatic post on where? And using by your Twitter wall. So how to post on your Twitter wall? That is called, first you can look at the option, any Facebook to connect the Twitter multiple pages in one Twitter account. Simple here, facebook.com/Twitter. Facebook.com/Twitter. So first time they connecting by your Twitter wall, it will accept by your profile and the page also. But profile we can't do anything. Profile we can't do anything. Your Twitter. Only connect by your pages. Select your page option. So we have totally 6 pages. Anything will be not connected by the Twitter account. Now connect by one. When connecting time, remember your Facebook will be Gmail, my Twitter will be Yahoo. No issues. But log in with the same browser. Automatically connect by your Facebook to Twitter. What are the content you are posting on your Facebook? They posted by Twitter. But is a one small problem is that it will be discussed. So I will be connect here. So it will be showing for any link expired. So content request cannot be displayed in a moment. It will be temporarily unavailable. So 1 second. So already I am saved for one drawback. The drawback is problem is called any connect by any Facebook to Twitter. The Facebook need by admin access is important. So this page will be only for editor access in my profile. Understand? Any integration Facebook to Twitter. The person is a page admin is mandatory. Without page admin, they can't give access to the Twitter account. Select it. We'll check. I have editor or admin. Where you can check by page role. See this. I am a editor. So I can't give access to the multiple page to Twitter account. That is called open by the admin account. Select by the facebook.com/Twitter. Before that, login by Twitter account is very important. Now we'll connect. So understand drawback. When connecting Facebook page to Twitter account, multiple pages in one Twitter account, any page admin have access for the Facebook page to Twitter. This is a drawback. So here, link to your option. So yeah, I'm going to unlink here. So link. Simple select authorization. Finally, you authorize. Why? You are in admin. You are in admin. Sorry. How many pages you have selected the pages? Each and every page you can access by your Twitter account. Select how many pages you have. So what are the pages you are maintaining? Link to contact. So clear? One admin can access multiple pages in your one Twitter account. It's very important on your understand by your notification. By connecting by Facebook to Twitter. So same like how many pages you have, link to it, authorize. So almost are done by 3 pages link to the Twitter account. Control F, temperature. So link to Twitter, authorize. Almost done by 4 pages in one Twitter account. What are the pages you've done? Automatically post on your Twitter wall. So select it, Control F, link to authorize. So done. Now I connect my Facebook page to Twitter. 100% done. Now select your page. Select your page and select your link. Copy the link. I'll check it will be posting or not my Twitter account. So when I'm posting anything in your Facebook page, it may post on Twitter wall or not. You can check. So this will be updates. Post it. Done. Click for share now. Only one image is better to share the content. Click for share now. Now, how many tweets are there? 182. Click for tweets. It automatically increases by 183. So check here. The content will be posted here. Page option. Refresh. First you check the pages are posting content or not. After you can check by your Twitter wall. Done. Yes. How many tweets? 182. Refresh. What is that? 183. Post the content. Is it clear? What are the content you are posting here? Page. Automatically post by where? Twitter. So same that. Copy. Come into this. Share this option. Any content you are sharing by your page. That is called along with the content is very important. So this are the content. I'm sharing content here. Guys, careful to watch. Now I mentioned by the particular problem. When I mentioned by the particular problem. Copy. So I can post in this Facebook page along with option call is set by here. Yes, some option is not visible. That is called your page is maybe unpublished mode. You can check the publish. Okay. Select. Careful to watch. I'm showing for drawback. Previous content automatically will be shared. When a sharing time, I'll show you by drawback. Select by photos and video. Upload photo and video. Select it. Careful to watch. I'll show you a drawback option. Go to project, and product. So I select by segment. I'm selected by the any kind of image. I'm not selecting anything, just I'm selecting for only image. Copy content. So I'm posting content will be using for image and content. Share. Check the post will be done or not. Any posting the recently updating for your Facebook will be refresh is mandatory. First you can check. Done the post. Now check the Twitter wall. How many tweets are there? 183. Refresh. Post is done. See this one. Post is done. Only 183 posts are there. 183 tweets is there. You can refresh multiple times. Is it clear? Understand drawback? What are the content you are posting through images page to Twitter? It will not show in by Twitter wall. When showing along with the link, the showing on the Twitter wall. So previous I'm posting along with the image. Now you can see and share by with the link. You are fetching the link here. Now click for share. Done. I'm sharing with along with the link. Previous along with the photo. Now we are sharing with along with the link. Now refresh. Click for refresh. 184. The link you will be posting, but image is not displayed. Link will be displayed. Image is not displayed. So if you are post anything by using image to posting by paste to Twitter, it's not showing to Twitter wall. When showing for link to post to page to Twitter, it is visible by the Facebook page and the Twitter. Is a drawback. Two drawback until you. When connected by Facebook page to Twitter, Facebook admin can access the Twitter access. First a drawback. Second drawback, what are the content you're posting by link accessed by the Facebook to Twitter? Here one logic is there. They promote only for website links and YouTube links, not for images and dead videos option. Any Facebook to Twitter connection, only link will be promoted by Facebook page and Twitter wall. Please note on this two option by drawbacks.